Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Team. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable Stop Incoming Video feature on Zoom in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tech Team. So let's go. For this, you have to go to your Zoom profile. Now go to Settings option. Click on Meeting. Now press on In Meeting Advanced. Here you'll find the option of Enable Stop Incoming Video feature. You have to turn on this button to enable this. So this is how you can enable Stop Incoming Video feature on Zoom in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.